Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring one of Europe's most beloved birds, the European robin. With its iconic orange-red breast and charming round face, the European robin is easy to recognize. This small bird features a soft, grayish-brown back and wings, making it a delightful sight in gardens and woodlands. Known for their curious and bold nature, robins are often seen hopping around searching for insects, worms, and berries. Their melodious song is a familiar sound, particularly during the early morning hours. Robins use their songs to establish territory and attract mates. In many cultures, the European robin is a symbol of joy and renewal. It's often associated with Christmas and is a popular subject in art and literature, symbolizing warmth and friendliness. European robins are widespread across Europe, extending into parts of Western Asia and North Africa. They're highly adaptable, thriving in diverse environments ranging from dense woodlands to urban gardens. Robins are incredibly adaptable birds. You'll find them thriving in a variety of habitats, from dense woodlands and hedgerows to suburban gardens and city parks. They're residents in their range, meaning they don't migrate far, making them a year-round presence in many places. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of the European robin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Master Navya for more amazing wildlife content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.